And yes, guys, my second Spin Master Monster Jam chase piece for this year. Megalodon Pixel Punks, guys. Pretty cool. There it is, Megalodon. Nice. I just need, Earthshaker Childlike and the Red Primal Gravedigger, and this mix is complete. Pretty cool. There it is, guys. Chase piece. Best one by far, actually. I like it better than the dragon. Without further ado. Alright. Nice one. Moves to the side. A lot of cardboard here next to me. Ooh, okay, it has the same texture like the Toon Shaded one. Megalodon. It has a purple roll cage, a teal chassis. Like a lightish blue tires, white rims. No, not white, like a smoky white. There's a pixelated design. Pretty cool. Monster Jam logo. Pixels. I got a lot of trucks. I got 4 trucks in total today. I hope you saw my other unboxings before this. White flippers. You can see the texture on there too. But yeah, best one so far. I guess so that's all my 4 trucks I unboxed. Hope you enjoyed. More coming soon. Peace out.